Hi guys, my name is Akemi.
And I'm Ryan.
And today we're going to be talking about memory addressing in computer architecture.
So we're going to go over these different ways to address a memory. First being immediate addressing, then direct addressing, then register addressing, then register indirect addressing, and lastly, index addressing.
So before we get started, we're going to be talking about what exactly memory addressing is. Memory addressing is simply the way an instruction specifies its operand.
So for an example, an instruction might have this in it. Move AL35H. This means move 35H to AL.
The operand here is 35H, and the instruction has different ways to refer to it. Let's get started with immediate addressing. Immediate addressing is when the operand is directly included in the instruction. So say we have operand 35H. The instruction would look something like this. So this basically says move the operand 35H into AL. In this case, it's a register. So you can see here that the operand is included directly into the instruction.
Now we're going to be drawing what a direct addressing method looks like. So here the instruction will look something like this. Move AL address of 110, which moves the value at address memory to the AL register. So here, and so the instruction points to the address of the operand in memory. We put an asterisk here just to help with this, just to give it like a pointer in C programming. So in direct addressing, we want the operand at a certain location rather than a fixed value.
So now we're going to go on to register addressing, which is pretty similar to direct addressing. So here we have an address to an operand, which points to a location in the register. We have the instruction here, move EG-AL, and this reads move the contents of the EG register, which is this right here, into register AL. Just like direct addressing, the instruction points to an address but is a register rather than a memory. Again, it selects operands at a certain location in register, in this case the entire register, rather than a fixed value like immediate addressing. Now let's go on to the next one.
So this is called register indirect addressing. This is kind of like a combination of the last two modes. As you can see here, I drew two asterisks here in the instruction, and I'm going to draw one right here in the register. So which is to say that instruction points to a pointer, which points to the operand in memory. So the instruction move AL EG will read something like this. Move the contents of memory in location N addressed by the register EG to the register AL.
So basically the instruction is saying that the operand is in register EG, but then when we get there, register EG tells us, no, it's actually memory N. So now I'm going to go over the last method, which is index addressing. So index addressing is a bit different from the others. I've drawn a little bit beforehand so that I can help explain. So the instruction specifies the address of an operand like the last few methods, but it also specifies an address to what's called an index register. We can say, for example, that the address points to the value 1 in the index register. That value is then treated as a constant and is added to the address of the operand. So then 5 plus 1 equals 6. So if the operand address is 5, we would add 1 equals 6, and then this combined would actually grab the operand at the address 6 instead of number 5. So the index register is used to modify the operand address and is typically reserved for vector and array operations.
So thanks for watching our video on memory addressing.
Until next time,
bye.
Bye.